Biology Basic MCQ. A thick muscular layer beneath lungs is called bladder, diaphragm, kidney, ureter. The correct answer is option B, diaphragm. Which is the smallest bone of human body? Cochlea, malleus, incus, stapes. The correct answer is option D, stapes. Recording of brain waves from outer surface of head is called ECG, MRI, CT scans, EEG. The correct answer is option D, EEG. Cartilage is made up of matrix, chondrocytes, collagen, ligaments. The correct answer is option B, chondrocytes. How many bones make our skull? 26, 22, 14, 24. The correct answer is option B, 22. Mature cells of human body are called collagen, osteoblast, osteocytes, none of these. The correct answer is option C, osteocytes. Which organ filters the blood in the human body? Kidney, intestine, brain, stomach. The correct answer is option A, kidney. Ribs which protect the kidneys are last 4, last 2, first 4, first 2. The correct answer is option B, last 2. In brain, the site for intelligence, memory and emotion is present in cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla, hypothalamus. The correct answer is option A, cerebrum. The longest and the strongest bone in the human body is tibia, pelvis, femur, jaw. The correct answer is option C, femur. Insulin is secreted by which gland? Pancreas, adrenal, pituitary, thyroid. The correct answer is option A, pancreas. Which of the following vitamin helps in clotting of blood? Vitamin B, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K. The correct answer is option D, vitamin K. Which of the following vitamins are fat soluble? Vitamins A, B, C, D, vitamins A, D, E, K, vitamins A, B, C, D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, vitamins A, D, E, K. Which of the following vitamins is water soluble? Vitamins B, E, vitamins A, B, vitamins C, D, vitamins B, C. The correct answer is option D, vitamins B, C. Which vitamin cannot store in the human body? Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin A, E. The correct answer is option B, vitamin C. Osteoporosis is a disease of stomach, bones, liver, heart. The correct answer is option B, bones. Where does the gaseous exchange occurs in humans? Bronchi, trachea, alveoli, pharynx. The correct answer is option C, alveoli. Most of the gaseous exchange in a leaf occurs through alveoli, stomata, stamen, general surface. The correct answer is option B, stomata. Proteins are made up of sugar, fatty acid, nucleic acid, amino acid. The correct answer is option D, amino acid. The largest part of the forebrain is cerebellum, thalamus, cerebrum, hypothalamus. The correct answer is option C, cerebrum. The parts of the forebrain are thalamus, medulla and pons, thalamus, cerebellum and pons, thalamus, hypothalamus and cerebellum, thalamus, hypothalamus and cerebrum. The correct answer is option D, thalamus, hypothalamus and cerebrum. The myelin sheet formed by nodes of Ranvier, Schwann cells, axons, dendrites. The correct answer is option B, Schwann cells. The normal breathing rate in human being is 10 to 40 times per minute, 30 to 40 times per minute, 16 to 20 times per minute, none of these. The correct answer is option C, 16 to 20 times per minute. What is the name of tube between kidney and urinary bladder? Urethra, ureter, nephron, renal tubule. The correct answer is option B, ureter. Cartilage is absent in trachea, bronchioles, bronchi, larynx. The correct answer is option B, bronchioles. Which of the following is called voice box? Bronchi, larynx, alveoli, trachea. The correct answer is option B, larynx. The muscles of ribs are called cardiac muscles, intercostal muscles, smooth muscles, costal muscles. The correct answer is option B, intercostal muscles. In animal process of reproduction without fertilization is called parthenocarpy, parthenogenesis, tissue culture, none of these. The correct answer is option B, parthenogenesis. Formation of messenger RNA from DNA is called transcription, translation, transduction, translocation. The correct answer is option A, transcription. Conversion of nitrates into nitrogen gas is called nitrogen fixation, assimilation, immunification, denitrification. The correct answer is option D, denitrification. C-shaped cartilaginous rings are present in the wall of alveoli, bronchi, trachea, bronchioles. The correct answer is option C, trachea. The U-shaped part of renal tubule is called renal pelvis, Bowman's capsule, glomerulus, lobe of Hilne. The correct answer is option D, loop of Hilne. Which component of cell is involved in translation? Ribosome, nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus. The correct answer is option A, ribosome. Adenine always pairs with uracil, thymine, guanine, cytosine. The correct answer is option B, thymine. Glottis is a narrow opening at the floor of pharynx, antibiotics, nostril, nasal cavity. The correct answer is option A, pharynx. A cough, mild wheezing, fever, chills, and shortness of breath are symptoms of pneumonia, bronchitis, emphysema, asthma. The correct answer is option B, bronchitis. Thanks for watching. Subscribe MCQ Challenger for latest informative MCQ.